Firstly, we would like to pay my highest respect to the main director of Skyline International School, to Mr. Persley. Good evening, teacher, and hello, everyone.
My name is Isao Kanchana and I am 13 years old.
My name is Ponmi Sona and I am 12 years old.
My name is Kilisa and I am 10 years old.
My name is Napanyarat and I am 11 years old.
We study English at level Smart 2A. Today we will present about the human body.
The principal parts of the human body are the head, the trunk, and the limb. We have hair on our head. Inside the head, we have the brain. We think with our brain. Between the forehead and eye, we find the eyebrow. We see the eye. The principal parts of the eye are the eyelid and eyelashes. Between the eye and the mouth, we see the nose. We smile with our noses.
The mouth has lips, teeth, and tongue. We eat, talk, drink, and smile with our mouth. We kiss with our lips and chew with our teeth. Between the chin and the eye, we find the cheek. On both sides of the head, we find the ear. We hear with our ear. The neck joins the head to the trunk.
Right.
In our trunk, we find the chest. Inside the chest, we find the hand and the lung. The abdomen separates the chest from the waist. In the back, there is the backbone. We have 4 limbs, 2 arms, and 2 legs. The principal part of the body are the shoulder, the elbow, the wrist, and the hand.
We have 5 fingers, the thumb, the 4-finger, the middle finger, the ring finger, and the little finger. The finger has nails. The principal part of the leg are the side, the knee, the shin, the calf, the toes, and the feet. We have 5 senses: sight, hearing, taste, smell, and touch.
Finally, we would like to thank all the teachers and thank you all for listening to our lesson.
Goodbye and good luck.